Hello, this is Akshat, and this would be the project demonstration of Meetup application as my Android development project. So let me run the application. So this is the splash screen activity, and we would be directly redirected to the login page. Now, if you are a new user, we need to create an account first. So I'll click on create new account. Let's enter the email ID first. So it will be let's enter the password and the same password to confirm. We would do the same for our other user. Okay, so let's register. After registration, we would be redirected to a user setup activity where the user would be setting up his profile. So we have to put on a profile image in here and enter our username. Let's say it's Trevor, and the city, let's say it's New York. Okay, and the country, USA. Profession, let's say businessman. Same for the other user. So it's Michael. City also New York. Country, let's say USA. Profession, also businessman. Okay, let's save our profile, and the profile is setting up now. After this, we would be redirected to our interest activity where the user would be asked to choose an interest of his choice, and based on that he would be redirected to a particular main activity. So yeah, this is our interest activity where the user has four options to choose from: gaming, sports, singing, as well as coding. And yeah, so let's say I choose gaming for both the users for now. So gaming and gaming, this is our main activity of our application. So here the user can post images about his interest or of himself also. So let me post the image here first. So this is the image. You have to write a project description also. For example, if I choose not to write a description, then the post would not be possible. Like it would throw a error. Please write something in post description. So I have to. So adding post. Yeah, as we can see in the post, the username of the user, we can see the profile image as well as the time ago feature, as this post was posted 0 minutes ago, and the description also. Here we can see the image of the post, and a like feature is also added in this post. So in the other user also we can see the same stuff, and the other user can like this user image as well. We can see the like counter has been updated, so he can like his image himself too. And this application can also be, the main motive is to like, as our depart as our communities of gaming, as we chose gaming as our interest, so we can like uh, do this. Check out this new game, guys. So people will be aware. Yeah, yeah, same thing, as we can see. So like, like, and if this user wants to post something, he can as well as do. So saw an UFO today. Yes, here we can see his post. Saw an UFO today, as posted by Michael, and this can be liked by Trevor as well as Michael and many other users also. So now next part is our navigation view. In our navigation view, here we can see the profile image and the username. Here we have home, feature, profile, friends, find friend, chat, and log out. So if suppose Trevor wants to find some friends who has the same interest as his, so we'll go on to the find friend. Here you can see Michael is currently in this application. So if he wants to, and for Michael, here he can see Trevor. This search feature is also included, so I can search people on the basis of their name. Like if I only name the name of the person, we can search him. For Trevor, we can search like. So if Trevor wants to send requests to Michael, like Trevor wants to be Michael's friend, so what Trevor will do is, here we can see Michael and his location as well as country. His username is here included here itself. So like Trevor wants to be Michael's friend, so let's open this. So become friend. Now Trevor is Michael's friend, and now they can both chat with each other. Now let's say send text. Send text feature is only available if you are friend, or it won't work. But there's one more feature I forgot to mention. If Michael doesn't want, like Trevor is a bad guy or something, Michael doesn't want to be his friend, he can anytime unfriend him. You can see it here. So Michael is not Trevor's friend now, but they can still become friend after all. So let's send a text to each other. So in Trevor's screen, Michael's profile and username would be displayed, as well as in Michael's screen, Trevor's profile and username would be displayed. The status is I've set status to be offline as a default, but this would be changed later. Now this image function is just for the display; it doesn't work. I've just included the text thing, and this works. This is a send button. So let's type something in here. Um, no, type from here. Hello, Michael. Yeah. So on sending a text, you will receive a So here we can see a Trevor's text message to Michael as well as his profile image. Now if Michael wants to type something, hey Trevor. Yes. So we can see the same for Michael also. So the dialog box changes its shape according to the text size. So for example, like how are you, and I give a space of this much. Then you can see the dialog box shape changes according to the text, according to the size of the text. So Michael types, I'm fine. What about you? I'm fine too. Let's add an emoji too. So this is all about the chat feature. Let's head on to explore some new features. Yeah, back, back. So here in the navigation view, we can see a home, profile, friends, find friend, shared, and logout. So let's see what's in the profile. In profile, we get the whole information about the user, his username, his profile image, his location, his profession. So he can check out the information he entered in this profile section. Now this friends, uh, whenever Trevor finds some of his friends in the find friend activity, all of his friends will be displayed in the friend section. Like for now Michael is his friend, so Michael is displayed in the friend section. And the same thing works on the chat. The chat would be to like chat with Michael directly, and he can like this chat with his friends. So okay, so this is all about the application. And one more thing, if I close the app and remove it from my recent activity, by the way, this is my app logo. So when I open my app again, we can see a splash activity first, and then we would be directly redirected to our main activity. There would be no uh, login register page or choose your interest page again. So a choose your interest is only a one time process, and it can't be changed again for like I want to change my interest, or I want to choose other interest. Then you have to like delete the application or create a new id, because this is not possible in this, because I have used the shared preference for that. It sets the whole thing, and the main activity would be opened according to your interest itself. So now what if I make a new user and choose another interest, then what happens? So let's uninstall the app and install it again. Let Michael be in the gaming activity. It's installing. Okay, so for Michael it's the same. The main activity would be opened directly. Now for this would be our new user. Okay, so create new account. I'll let this be frank1234 at the rate gmail.com. Password should be register the user. Now the same thing as always. Franklin. City, let's say New York, also the same as Trevor and Michael. Country must be USA. And profession, let's say the student. Safe. So we get the interest choosing activity. Now let's say Franklin chooses coding as his interest. Okay, we get a completely different setup. The posts, as in the gaming activity, aren't visible here because it is like a completely new thing. In coding, singing, and in sports, the main activity all are different. The I've used a different color for the navigation and the main app bar. So these are all the same thing. And let's say he Franklin wants to post something like a hackathon in 2 days. Yes. So this will be how it works, and you can like his post as well. So this is all about the project demonstration. Thank you guys for watching the demonstration, and see ya.